So yeah, so as you all know, we are doing NCERT solutions, and today we are going to move forward. And yes, guys, we will discuss question number 1 and 2 from the page 73. As you all know, guys, NCERT class 9 का हम tissues का chapter कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? So these solutions will help you to understand how do you write an answer in an exam. Okay, so this is what this session is all about. And guys, you all know we have amazing सा Vedantu का pro subscription. You'll be like, so what is the pro subscription? Beta, what happens with pro subscription is you get to study with us on our platform. So what happens in that? You get more time with us, you get all the doubts answered, and you get, yes guys, notes for all the chapters, and whatever the teacher is writing in the class, you can just click and download that. Okay? And mainly it is about live interaction which you get with the teacher and the personal attention. Generally होता क्या है, हमें समझ नहीं आता कि पढ़ना क्या है या फिर कहाँ हम लैग कर रहे हैं. So this is where this personal, this thing comes into play. Cool, very good guys. You can look in the description box and you can use the code ARPRO for getting extra 20% discounts, right? Very good. Yes. Now, moving forward, so this is the first question, guys. Name the types of simple tissue. अच्छा, बहुत ही easy question है. चलो देख लेते हैं. Yeah. So guys, name the types of simple tissue. सिंपल टिश्यू की बात करें तो हम बेसिकली प्लांट्स के बारे में बात करें तो गाइस ठीक है, you can say simple tissue the tissues, and see simple tissues are guys, these are tissues present in plants and they are made up of only one type of cell. Guys, if you have not done the class, please go watch. I have taught the entire chapter. Okay, these tissues, or they are made of only one type of cell. Only one type of cell. Other कौन सा guys? Simple होता है complex tissue. Complex tissue is made up of more than one type of cell. Example xylem and phloem. इसका भी example we will have to write. What's an example? Exactly guys. Example is parenchyma. है ना? Then collenchyma also you can write. And guys, sclerenchyma. अब guys, we will also write the functions also. ठीक है? For showing the teacher कि हमें सब आता है, what will we do? We will also write the मतलब function. Parenchyma, storage of food. Collenchyma provides flexibility. Sclerenchyma provides hardness to the plant or provides mechanical support. You can also write where they are found. Parenchyma is found in the, these guys, potato, है ना, इन सब जगह पे. Collenchyma is found in the stems which are flexible, which you cannot break. Sclerenchyma is found there, guys, in the bark. It is found in the covering of the nuts, for example walnuts वगैरह. It is found in the guava. It provides grittiness to the guava, है ना. All these things we can write over here. Guys, it depends कि कितने मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. So that I can keep on adding also. इसके ऊपर और भी मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? आप लिख सकते हो plant tissue. It is of two types, है ना. लिख सकते हो. Yes guys. Meristematic and permanent. This permanent tissue is further of two types. This guy simple permanent and complex permanent. Simple के अंदर we can write further this three. Parenchyma, sclerenchyma, है ना. तो you can draw the mind map also. I'll just show it to you. देखो. You can draw plant tissue, meristematic, permanent, है ना. Permanent the simple parenchyma, column, sclerenchyma. यहाँ पे भी होता है. So you can draw add this also. This will give you extra 1 mark which you will be needing, है ना. Very good. So yes guys, I have taught you this, है ना. Moving forward on this. Next question, where is the apical meristem found? What's the apical meristem? So guys, पहले we will tell. What will I do is I'll tell what is meristematic tissue. है ना? What is meristematic tissue? It is guys continuously dividing tissue. It is a tissue which has a capacity to divide continuously. है ना? It's a tissue which has a capacity to divide continuously. ठीक है? It is further of three types. What are three types, guys? Apical meristem. but अब apical meristem के बारे में पूछा. Apical meristem. Then you can also write intercalary. And you can write lateral meristem. ठीक है? Apical meristem, intercalary, lateral meristem. Then अब पूछा क्या है हमारे पास, बस एपिकल मेरिस्टम के बारे में पूछा, तो एपिकल मेरिस्टम नीचे लिखो लास्ट पॉइंट, राइट? एपिकल मेरिस्टम इज फाउंड वेयर? इट इज फाउंड इन द shoot tip and the shoot root tip. It is found at shoot tip and root tip, and it is responsible for increasing the length of the plant. हमने extra point एक और बता दिया कि भैया एपिकल मेरिस्टम क्या करता है, प्लांट की लेंथ को बड़ा करता है. Yes, isn't it amazing? So if you had been a teacher, would you not give me one extra mark? You have to let me know in the comment box. Yes guys, so you can draw the diagram also. आप diagram भी draw कर सकते हो. अब इसे कैसे draw करेंगे बताओ तुम देखो. अच्छा ये हमारा बोर्ड थोड़ा स्लो है, तो ये ना बहुत लेट भी बेचारा इंस्ट्रक्शंस देता है. देखो, so you can draw guys something like this. एक लीफ सा बना दो ऐसे, ठीक है, यहाँ पे रूट सा बना दो. Then you can show this is apical meristem. You can show apical meristem है ना, यहाँ पे रूट टिप ऐसे बना के लिख दो रूट टिप, और यहाँ पे भी apical meristem है. समझ पा रहे हो तुम? It is just showing the teacher कि हाँ भैया हमें आता है. ठीक है guys, so you can write like this also. This is the concise version, but what I was trying to do is कि give you कि मैं कैसा लिखता हूँ. ठीक है, देखो मैं पढ़ के नहीं आया, मैं instantly on the spot answer लिखता हूँ, है ना? तो likewise you should also start learning this, because if you start doing it with me, then even the exam and the exam will be very comfortable with this. Na? Moving forward is guys, as I told you, you can go for pro subscription where you will get more time with me and learn more with me, and you can use the code ARPRO to get extra 20% discount. And yes guys, next we will be doing again question number 3 and 4, और already हम page number 16 का 1 and 2 भी कर चुके हैं, तो you can go and watch that also. ठीक है, and yes guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment box आपको इसमें कैसा लगा, and keep smiling and stay amazing. Bye bye, have a great day.